नमस्कार। आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर के अंदर हम पढ़ेंगे क्राउन ईथर कॉम्प्लेक्सेस एंड क्रिप्टेंड कॉम्प्लेक्स और विच इज़ नॉन एज क्रिप्टिड्स फ्रॉम MSc प्रीवियस ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री यूनिट फर्स्ट से। द फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज क्राउन ईथर। Crown ether are heterocycles containing many oxygens. They are able to transport ionic compounds in organic solvents, which is known as phase transfer S. Crown ether names is known as X, which is denoted by in red color, X crown Y. X is known as the ring size and Y is the number of oxygen. Here is the example. First one 18 crown 6. 18 means this crown having 12 carbon and 6 oxygen, so it is known as 18. Crown 6 denoted the number of oxygen. Second example is 15 crown 5. Here the 5 is 5 oxygen present in 15 crown 5 and the 10 is number of carbon, so it is known as 15 crown 5. And the last example is 12 crown 4 जिसमें 4 ऑक्सीजन है और बाकी 8 कार्बन है, 8 कार्बन and 4 ऑक्सीजन. It is known as 12 crown 4. So the crown ether have the property of forming complex with positive ion. The binding in these complexes results from ion dipole attraction between the heteroatoms and the positive ions. In most cases, the ions are held tightly in the center of the cavity of the crown ether. Each crown ether binds different ions depending on the size of its cavity, like lithium, sodium or potassium. Since oxygen of crown ether carries unshared pair of electrons, these unshared pair of electrons can solvate cations. Let us examine the structure of 18 crown 6, which is denoted by the figure first. The molecule is shaped like a donut and has a hole in the middle. Facing into the hole are the oxygen atom. Facing outwards are the 12 CH2 groups. There is thus a lyophilic interior and lyophobic exterior. The hole has a diameter of 2.7 angstrom. The crown ether add a potassium ion K positive, which having the diameter of 2.66 angstrom, which is shows in the diagram second, which just fits into the hole in the crown ether where it is held by unshared pair of electrons on the 6 oxygen atoms through the ion dipole bonds. Because of the close fit and ion dipole attraction, potassium ion is bound very tightly. Although the crown ether is not the solvent, it holds potassium ion by the same force that a solvent uses. The forces are simply much stronger here. Utility of crown ether. Utility of crown ether in separating mixture of cations means the high degree of selectivity enables the crown compounds to identify the gas atom in a solution and wrap around it. Crown ether are widely used in organic synthesis. Crown ether are also useful in phase transfer catalysis. Crown ether are most frequently used to complex cation, amines and phenols, etc. Many important applications to biochemistry and ion transport is 18 crown 6 react with the KMnO4 in the presence of benzene and the formation of 18 crown 6, which having the potassium ion, which shows the purple benzene color. Crown ether are also made by microorganisms. The antibiotic like nonactin and valinomycin. These antibiotics are also known as ionophores. These antibiotics coordinate with the metal ions in a manner similar to that of crown ether. Normally, cells must contain a gradient between the concentration of sodium and potassium ion inside and outside of the cell. Potassium ions are pumped into, sodium ions are pumped out. The cell membrane in its interior is like a hydrocarbon because it consists in the region primarily of the hydrocarbon portion of the lipids. The next topic is cryptanes or cryptates. Bicyclic crown ether and crown ethers of cycles of higher order tri-tetra cycles are called the cryptanes and the complex form are called the cryptates. The cryptates are a family of synthetic bi- and polycyclic multident ligands for a variety of cations. The Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1987 was given by Crane, and Pedersen for their efforts in discovering and determining use of cryptanes and crown ethers, thus launching the new flourishing field of supramolecular chemistry. The term cryptanes implies that the ligand binds substrate in a crypts entering the gas as in a butyl. These molecules are three-dimensional analog of crown ether but are more selective and complex. The gas ions are more strongly. The resulting complexes are lipophilic. Bicyclic complex can surround the enclosed ion in 3D, binding it even more tightly than the monocyclic crown ether. Bicycles and cycles of higher order are called the cryptanes and the complex form are called the cryptates. Cryptanes is the Greek words cryptos meaning the hidden or compound that can completely surround a cation with lone pair of electron on oxygen and nitrogen atoms. The number of in the name of cryptane is the number of oxygen atom and each strand of the molecule. Let us examine the structure of 18 crown 6, which is denoted by the figure first. The molecule is shaped like a donut and has a hole in the middle. Bonding in crown ether complex is the result of ion dipole attraction between the heteroatom and the positive ions. The parameter of the host gas interaction can be sometimes be measured by NMR. It has been implied that the ability of these host molecules to bind gas is often very specific, often linked to the hydrogen bonding ability of the host, enabling the host to pull just one molecule or ion out of the mixture. This is called the molecular recognition. The property, the three-dimensional interior cavity of the cryptane provides a binding site or knock for gas ions. The complex between the cationic gas and the cryptane is called the cryptates. Cryptanes form complexes with many hard cations including NH4, lanthanide, alkali metals, and alkaline earth metals. In contrast to typical crown ether, cryptanes bind the gas ion using both nitrogen and oxygen donors. Their three-dimensional mode confirms some site selectivity, enabling discrimination among alkali metals like the sodium versus potassium. The uses of cryptanes, although they are more expensive and more difficult to prepare, offer much better selectivity and strength of binding than other complexes. For alkali metals such as crown ether, they are able to extract otherwise insoluble salt into organic solvents. Cryptanes increase the reactivity of anions in salts since they effectively break up ion pairs. They can also be used as a phase transfer catalyst by transferring ions from one phase to another. Cryptanes enable the synthesis of the alkalides and electrolytes. They have also been used in the crystallization of gentle ions such as SN92. Thank you very much.